If I could make a suggestion, I'm not Jamaican, nor am I an artist. But I can say, as a person who plays a lot of music and has an observer and a fan, I think there's an opportunity here because, you know, Jamaica as an island has probably the singular most impact on popular music culture on the planet.
Yes, for sure.
The world has ever seen.
For sure. Some of the greatest entertainers.
The essence of the music comes from Africa. But it was reinterpreted by those who, you know, obviously were enslaved in Jamaica and then got independence and created their own sound and own languages, et cetera, et cetera. But artists like Burna Boy, when they first came on the scene, they was dancehall artists. Like they was looking at Shaba, they was looking at, you know, all of this type of thing. I just wanted to put out there, I think the opportunity is really to ignore, in some ways, trying to chase North American stardom and just build between Africa, the UK, and the kind of the Pan-African diaspora versus just trying to chase what people think is gonna get you popping on charts and shit like that. You know what I'm saying? Like, reinvest in the culture, reinvest in our connection, reinvest in the shit that's important to us versus trying to be the next, you know.
Yeah, man. Definitely.
Whomever.
Yeah, man. Definitely. And I think that's what happened with the Afrobeats. I think they invested